Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So we have a big update with Lyft actually coming through and launching some substantial bonuses for drivers, both for current drivers, mainly for current drivers, to really keep drivers on the road because so many drivers are quitting and quitting because of gas prices and low rates. But they're launching these bonuses, which we were talking about in the video. But before I get started, I wanted to tell you all about Solo. So Work Solo is the business app for drivers, and this is a really awesome app, which essentially they pay drivers on a guaranteed pay feature. So when you go out and drive, they're gonna guarantee that you make a certain dollar amount. And like here, 33 bucks in that hour, 20 bucks in that hour. Harry Campbell is an investor, and right now they're gonna send you $10 just for using our link and signing up totally for free anywhere in the country, as long as you have an active gig account, you've done at least one ride. Check it out, check Solo down below, get your $10 before the end of the month. So Warren Decker just shared this in our Facebook group. We have over 19,000 members in this group, and I am the admin owner. Lyft is getting desperate for drivers in the San Francisco Bay Area. Look at all those bonuses every other hour all day long. Instead of giving us streak bonuses, just increase driver pay by 10% over Uber and you'll quickly have drivers switching over to Lyft. So $15 streak, look at these streak bonuses they're doing every single half an hour. From 9, 9:30, 9:30, 11, $12 streak. You have a 7 to 8 one, $15 streak. I mean, you can just see the amount of streaks, $18 streak from 1 to 2 a.m. I mean, that's an additional $18, per hour that they're paying you. And you see them here again, 5 to 6 a.m., 18 bucks, 70. I mean, this is actually seriously decent money. If you can hit these, drive from 5 to 9, you're really gonna make an additional, 50, 60 bucks, which is not bad at all. So these drivers here are basically boycotting Lyft and Uber. So a lot of people don't really like Lyft, but let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know what streaks and bonuses you're getting in your area. And again, check out Solo, link below. Get your $10 simply for signing up for free, and you get access to managing your miles, your expenses automatically and everything like that. It's really the best app for drivers on the market right now. So check it out down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye now.